Another tūranga tāne up on the stage at the regionals here in Ahitereiria. How was that for you, boy?
It was really good to support everything that I've trained for over the last 5 months and just put it out all on there for like 25 minutes. So it was really me.
Who did you haka for back home?
I did a bit of Tamararo with Ahitereiria, but I did school regionals with GBHS, tūranga wahine, tūranga tāne. I think people would expect it to be very different because everyone over here, they've obviously spent some time away from home. They grew up here, but if I could put like one message out, like it's exactly the same here than it is at home. Yeah.
Speaking of home, you want to say hi to home? Who do you want to say a quick shout out to everyone back in Tūranga?
Hi Renel Nikora, hi Mum, I love you Mum, Mahaki Nikora, Tiare Nikora, my 2 dogs, Sid and Marley, and all the whānau back at home. Your boys over in Ahitereiria just trying to get better, bigger. Luke.